Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series, question number 26. Project Line is being implemented in which state? Options: Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Along with the answer, let's also see some of the important points about Project Line. The central government has unveiled a plan for the conservation of Asiatic lions in Gir, a region in Gujarat. The plan, named Line at the Rate 47 Vision for Amrutkal, this plan is part of Project Line and aims to secure and restore habitats to manage the growing lion population. It also aims to generate livelihoods for local communities. So, the right answer for the question is option B, Gujarat. Project Line is implemented in Gujarat. And here is another question for you. The International Migrants Day is observed globally on which of the following dates? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.